In this video I'm going to show you how you can format text on WhatsApp to use bold font, italic fonts and some other formatting tricks. So let's go! If you want to make your text messages stand out on WhatsApp, there's a few formatting options you can use to do so. Just open up the app and go to the chat that you want to use, and then just start typing the word. For this example we're going to use bold, and then hit the little marker here and then go to select all, and then hit this little button here with the BIU, and then you see all the formatting options that you can use to format your text on WhatsApp. If you want to have it bold, just hit the bold button and there you go. The text will be sent as bold. Then let's see, for italic it works the same way. Just write whatever word or sentence you want to format, go to select all, or just select the part that you want to format, go to that same button, hit italic, and there you go, you got an italic text. Then for strike through, same procedure as well as for a monospace. Just mark the text that you want to format, go to the BIU button, and then hit strike through or monospace. In this example we're going to go for strike through. And then last but not least, we're going to do some monospace formatting. When the monospace formatting will kind of spread out the letters a little bit more and makes it look a little cooler, like the title is saying, it looks a little spacier because the letters have more spacing to it. So kind of cool formatting option right here. Of course you can also format a couple of words at once, or for example in this longer sentence you can just hit the little marker right there, and sometimes it's a little bit tricky, then hit select, and then you can and then you can select just the portion that you want to format. For example, we're going to bold this one, then we're going to select the cool and make it stand out with monospace letters, and then the one maybe we're going to do italic. So you can see you can use different styles to format in one sentence, and you can format a couple of words at the same time. And then when I send it, you see it's different formatting styles in one sentence, so you can combine them all together. Sometimes it can be a bit tricky to select the words or the sentences that you want to mark. As you can see here, I got to tap a couple of times in order for the options here, there you go, to show up. So there's another trick that you can do, because if you want to bold something, you can just wrap it around in little stars like this, and you see it'll get a bold format right away. Same goes for italic. If you do the underscore and then another, oops, there we go, then another underscore at the end, you see it goes to italic right away. And for strike through, it's a little, there we go, a little tilde sign right there, and it'll do the strike through, and then you can send it. That way it's sometimes easier if you want to format a couple of words at once, because it's sometimes hard to select them by tapping and then choosing it with the cursor, you know, because your thumb is always, or your finger's always in the way. So it's a little easier to do. The monospace is not as easy to do, because you got to go here, then you got to tab and hold. Oh, there you go, see, there, did it wrong, tap and hold, and then you got to swipe over to this, and you got to do 3 of those at the beginning, and you got to do 3 of those at the end, and to achieve the mono type. There you go. So that's a little bit more tricky, so you might not want to use that as much, but there you go. But for all the other formatting, it might be easier to use the stars to wrap a word in for bold, the underscore for italic, or the tilde for strike through. And then if you wrap a couple of words in them, you can achieve the same formatting for the words, for all the words at once. Unfortunately, it's not possible to underline text in WhatsApp. I know that's an option a lot of you are looking for, but since underlining is for links only, or some dates it become formatted like that, it's not possible to underline text by yourself in WhatsApp. So unfortunately there's no option to do so, to underline some text in WhatsApp. So that's it, guys. These are the options you have if you want to format text in WhatsApp in italic, bold, strike through, or monospace. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell sign. See you on the next one.